Good evening. This is Shabrashati Bhattacharya with regional news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today interacted with Chief Executive Officers, CEOs and founders of 20 space startups in New Delhi. During the interaction, PM Modi called for wider applications of space technology to improve the lives of people. He noted that the country's space sector can become a magnet for global talent, companies and investment, and suggested creating an ecosystem and an environment where, when the world thinks of space, it looks towards India. Emphasizing greater collaboration between space industry and other social development sectors, the Prime Minister encouraged greater collaboration with Atal Tinkering Labs to nurture curiosity and interest among young minds for space. He also congratulated the leaders of the space sector for showing courage and taking the lead in a new area. He said that the confidence shown by the sector has strengthened the vision with which the space sector was open to private participation. Health and Family Welfare Minister J.P. Nadda today reviewed the prevailing situation and preparedness for H1N1 influenza in the country with particular focus on the national capital. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry informed that Mr. Nadda reviewed the national surveillance and epidemiological situation, ILI and SARI trends, testing and laboratory surveillance and preparedness of healthcare facilities to manage seasonal influenza cases. During the meeting, Mr. Nadda emphasized the need for continued vigilance, robust surveillance and proactive preparedness with close monitoring of influenza trends. He also emphasized public awareness and preventive health practices, including respiratory hygiene and hand hygiene, and advised individuals with persistent or severe respiratory symptoms, breathing difficulty or other warning signs to seek medical advice promptly. Chairman of the Arunachal Pradesh Administrative Reforms Commission, Pramod Jain, called on Governor Lieutenant General retired K.T. Pernag at Lok Bhavan, Itanagar today. They reviewed ongoing and proposed administrative reforms aimed at strengthening public trust, empowering grassroots institutions, enhancing transparency and accountability, and improving the quality, efficiency, and last-mile reach of public services. The governor emphasized that reforms must be practical, people-centric, and future-ready with a clear focus on last-mile delivery. The governor called for transformation of Arunachal's administrative framework in keeping with the aspiration of its people and the changing demands of governance. The district administration, Papumpara, and the district ICDS cell, UPI, in collaboration with various line departments, observed Beti Janmotsav under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme at the SDO's conference hall, Doimuk, today. Addressing the gathering, SDO Doimuk Neelam Tan appreciated the Women and Child Development Department for regularly organizing awareness programs aimed at promoting the welfare of women and children. He said that Beti Janmotsav is not merely an event but an important social message to value, protect, educate and empower the girl child. The Hoj-Potin Road is expected to reopen to the public after September 10, following the completion of the ongoing CC pavement work. NTLLP Managing Director Nabam Talon said. He informed that the road restoration work is progressing as scheduled, with the NTLLP team working round the clock to ensure timely completion. Deputy Commissioner Tawang Namgyal Angmo convened a coordination meeting today to review the preparedness for the proposed International Tourism Month ITM to be held Tawang from 28 to 31st October next. The meeting detailed deliberations on the tentative itinerary and proposed visits of ITM delegates to various tourist destinations and other important locations in and around Tawang. Giving special emphasis to cleanliness and responsible tourism, the DC interacted with representatives of the taxi union and tour operators regarding management of plastic and other waste generated at tourist destinations. In badminton, India's Trisa Jolly and Gayatri Gopichand have stormed into the women's doubles semi-finals of the BWF World Championships in New Delhi. The Indian duo displayed remarkable grit and fighting spirit, coming from a game down to overcome fourth seeds Ji Fan and Zhang Shuzian of China 16-21, 21-15, 21-13. With this triumph, Trisa and Gayatri have assured India of a coveted medal at the prestigious championship. That's all in this news bulletin. Namaskar.